Miezi mwenda, and we still going. Luganda XLz week 29. I got my man Tal G right here. Same one on the boards. Get him, man. Show him what he did.
Rapping a bit extension of the impact nation in your family. Never changing course, I'm so excited to be having a movement, no contrary. Hit him with a bit of first drug, that's me. Was maybe you will want to achieve my nettle and myself when you conquer overseas, but I come on overseas, we'll be getting these. When you're not to Safi said,
yes.
You got to run them with
no.
To give up your dream, just to impress family. Is that what you really want to do?
Nah.
We then you go face your demons, guaranteed no casualties. Nimze ya kayens, they kwenye hakshama, but I refuse the tease. Just because you didn't want to see me pursue my dream. Thinking I was going to quit school, now where they can enjoy that degree. Sneaking on me, thinking I was doing ecstasy, been doing it addiction free. Knowing I'm ZP, kids and I've contracted the nation. Just so what I got my mistakes. Be trying to right my wrongs with the Genja can look chondos aje. Right now, spend a month with no drugs to me, stomping and menace to society. By the time Luganda XLz and being cheat temptation, no reserve to me. Yeah, I'm gone.
My other brother just passed the key. It's XLz, you know it has to be a rap with me. Strategy, team, scheme, you can see that it's all new. Batunulangazi, Bebuzani Chitawe, maker of heaven and earth. To me it's Yahweh. Damajidu Mukasantola Chenda Muchisawe. Trendsetter, your trends later, now it's our way. Never chigwati chigwa paka kontiko yolu sosi. We celebrate with work, no chilling and acting bossy. It's on for life, not awards, medals and trophies. Kazana na mulamwa, Dupiankurongo Sekuchi Koji. Yeah, week 29, I got my man Tal G right here. Same one on the boards.
Impact Nation.
Shout out to Dish behind the camera.
Yeah.
You know what it is, man. Week 29, let's go.